Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Shubham Temre and today topic is Work Center in Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management Manufacturing Application. Okay, Manufacturing Work Center. Okay, so Work Center. So Work Center are specific production units. Okay, Work Center are a specific production unit that consist of a people or equipment. Okay, you can associate each work center with an active work area. Okay, you can associate each work center with an active work area. Okay, so in earlier session we already seen that what work area is and how to create work area in our application. Okay, now the work center. Okay, so the work center, we can say that the work center is an organization unit where manufacturing activities are performed. Okay, in other words, work center are the master data which represent real machines, production lines, okay, assembly work center, departments, and process cell. Okay, so manufacturing activity or operation are carried out at a work center. Okay, so as a manufacturing engineer, what you can do using the manage work center task in our application, you can create, edit, and delete work centers. You can add resources to a work center and allocate resources to different shift as well. Okay, and you can also view and manage exception associated to the resources. Okay, in at the work center, production operator can report material, resources, and operation transaction performed at work center that belongs to a specific work area. So while defining the work center, it is mandatory to identify the work area where it belongs to. Now let's go to our instance and create an work center. Okay, just click on setting and action, click on setup and maintenance, click on task list, manage implementation project, just click on manage implementation project, search for our project, SCM, just click on our project. Okay, now search the task name is manage work center, manage work center. Just click on search icon, manage work center, click on the task. Yeah, select the row, just click on go to task icon. Okay, first we have to change the organization, our organization, that is 001 CTAL. So select our organization 001, click on OK. Now for creating work center, just click on create icon over here. Okay, now fill the name of our work center. Let's say Tata Operation 01 is our first work center. Code same as that of our name. If you want to fill the description details, okay, you can fill over here as well. Now the work area. Okay, so you must have to select your work area while defining the work center. Okay, so in last session we already created two work areas, Tata work area 01 and Tata work area 02. Okay, the work area, under the work area we are creating the work center. Okay, work center, here we have an option for selecting the supply sub inventory as well. If you want to select your supply sub inventory for raw material to particular work center, you can select over here as well, but supply sub inventory is not the mandatory term over here. The mandatory terms are, mandatory attribute are name, code, and work area. Okay, now just okay 7, create another, let's create another work center. Let's say another work center, that is Tata Operation 02. Okay, data operation 02. Okay, so in any manufacturing plant, we have multiple work centers, or we can say multiple departments, like operation department, where all production related, or we can say the manufacturing activities are performed. Okay, we have multiple departments like R&D department, where research and development for particular product or item is performed. You can create a particular work center for R&D department as well. Okay, or you can create particular work center for your QA department, that is quality assurance department as well. Right now we are creating only two work center, that is operation for production point of view. Okay, just click on save in close. Okay, so in this way you can create work center in our application. Okay, so in upcoming session we will see how to associate resources, our labor resources, our material resources, our machinery resources to particular work center. Okay. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.